Hi guys, welcome to another episode. Today we are talking ultra wide lens for DJI Mini 3 Pro. Yes, it's here. The WEX here in the UK bailed off on me and they said that they won't be able to supply the ultra wide lens for the DJI Mini 3 Pro because apparently it was too heavy and it would bring the DJI Mini 3 over 249 grams. And now I'll do short unboxing and I'll do a short weight contest. So some paperwork, a special case. It comes in a special case. That's the DJI Mini 3 Pro wide angle lens. And let's check if it actually takes the drone above 249 grams, and if yes, you would need an A2 certificate of competency. And I'm taking the normal lens off and I'm putting the ultra wide lens on. That's how the DJI Mini 3 Pro looks with that lens on. And a test, the weight test, is actually 250 grams. So it's a 1 gram over. That's a shame. That's actually a shame. After I balanced the scale, it actually showed 249 grams, which is perfectly legal. So just in case, I'm pretty sure that's going to be quite tight on the scale if you're going to be approached by authorities and they'll try to weight your drone. It is 249 grams, so it is within the legal limit. So you actually, at the end, you might actually not need a A2 certificate of competency for flying a drone above 249 grams, because this one with the ultra wide lens is literally 249 grams. Hey, this is great. I'm gonna show that to you again. I actually thought it's gonna be over because that's what I was told by a supplier here in the UK. After resetting the scale, placing the drone again, it showed 249 grams, so you're perfectly fine. I'm just curious if someone else on their kitchen scale will have a different result. We will do a test flight shortly, and I will give you example side by side, the standard lens and the wide angle lens for DJI Mini 3 Pro. Every footage is in auto mode, 4K 30 frames per second, everything in auto, shutter speed, ISO. Oh wow, you can actually see a difference. There's also a lens flare. The sun is setting down in Edinburgh tonight, and there is a bit of a lens flare on the screen, which you'll be able to see. There's one major big plus. You can fit the wide angle lens inside the cover. See? It fits perfectly. Another thing is that the standard lens fits perfectly in the wide lens box. It's a totally different story with the ND filters. When you take the ND filter out and you put it on a drone and you will try to squeeze the normal lens inside, it won't close, but here it fits perfectly. But yes, you can see the difference. Yeah, I think it's worth the money. It's worth the money because it was only £29 from the DJI store. So yeah, what do you think? How do you like the comparison between the normal lens and the wide lens for the DJI Mini 3 Pro? I'm actually going on holidays soon, so I'll take my drone and ND filters and the wide lens with me. If you want me to take some more footage or photos, still photos, let me know in the comment sections. I will definitely do that. once it stopped raining, I will be able to do that straight away. So yeah, please do leave comments. If you have any questions, suggestions, requests, leave them in the comment sections. I know I said that 15 times already. Today's sponsor of the video is 365vibesstore.com. You can buy hoodies, t-shirts, t-shirted dresses, tank tops, crop tops, mugs, travel mugs. So definitely visit channel sponsor 365vibesstore.com for more details. And if you use the code BigPhilOnline2022, you will get 15% off of your next purchase. If you like the video about wide angle lens for the DJI Mini 3 Pro, please give it a thumbs up, because it always helps. It always helps to algorithm to boost the video so a wider audience can watch it. And remember, about any comments, leave them in the comment section down below. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please hit that bell notification icon to be notified when I upload a new video. In this video, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Cheers!